Having samples of your quilling strips for future reference is a handy way when it comes to choosing colors and to track your supplies. Today we can see how I make my samples. Hi crafters, this is Agnes from Agnes Craft, and today I will show you how I keep samples of my quilling strips. Here are the papers from Quilling Hub. They have 61 colors plus 5 metallic strips. You can understand how happy I would have been seeing all these colors at a time. And now, before I could start using these for my projects, I would have a sample of the colors. I usually get supplies from different sources, and most of them are from a local craft shop. And the papers that I buy don't have numbers, and so I can't be sure that I get the same color of the same brand the next time. But this supplier, Quilling Hub, has listed their papers with numbers and have the colors named too, which makes my work very easy. Please note that this is not a sponsored video from the supplier. I felt that it would be a useful information for my fellow quillers and so share what I loved. Now for making samples, they provide each pack with the number code of the color, and I wrote down the name of color on the pack from the reference I got from their Facebook page. I take a 300 GSM cardstock and cut at 6 cm on its length side using a paper trimmer. Now I cut them horizontally at 1.5 cm each. I write down the number of the strip and name of the color and make a tight coil to paste on it so that I can see the real color when I quill with it. Now I take a sheet of acetate, or otherwise called as OHP sheet or glass sheet. I add a strip of double-sided sellotape to the sheet. Now I stick these sample strips over them. This helps to pull out the strips when I need them and replace it back. But this is not the final solution that I wanted. I want to arrange these strips in a file. The positive aspects of this sampling method is to track stock levels and exactly know the colors that we have and to choose colors for projects as they are very handy. While I was ready with this video, I came across the clever idea of Barbara Dobbs where she put her samples in pouches. She prepared her own codes for the papers from JJ Quilling and stored the samples. You could find link to her website and Facebook page in the description below. It is all fun and a brilliant way to make samples. Hope you got some idea on this topic. Thanks for watching.